Welcome. If you want to use auto rotation screen on your Xiaomi Mi 9 Lite, for the first let's open the notification bar and we have to activate the rotation right here. And right now let's try if it is working. So let's go for the YouTube, for example, and we have to rotate our smartphone. Okay, so let's try again. Go back for the YouTube. Okay, and as you can see, it's not working. So right now we have to move to the settings. Go for the display. Right now we have to scroll down. And right here we have to activate the auto rotate screen. And right now everything will be fine. And it's working. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.